All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. This is a very brief demonstration. Everyone's always asking what I mean when I'm talking about a CSP rating of 2 to get a warranty for a product going down. That simply stands for concrete surface profile. It's a rating of 1 to 10. 1 being the smoothest, 10 being extremely rough. The only thing we require is that you use 30-40 grit diamonds to achieve the CSP of 2. You must use the appropriate bond diamond on the appropriate hardness of concrete so that you attain that CSP of 2. Really quickly, if you use a hard bond diamond on a hard surface, you're not going to attain a CSP of 2. If you use a soft bond diamond on a soft surface, same thing. You must use hard on soft, soft on hard, and medium for medium. Today I've got a planetary grinder. If you look really quick, this is a 3-head machine. I've got 9 diamonds, 3 diamonds on each head. I've got 30-40 grit diamonds, and the diamonds are red, indicating that they are medium bond. That is industry standard color. All medium bond diamonds are not always going to be red, but that is pretty much the industry standard. Grinders can start off at planetary grinders, which this is 3 heads, to 2 fixed heads next to each other, to a single 10-inch head right here. Obviously, the best for profiling and having a really good finish, not being expeditious, is a planetary grinder, but that's not always attainable right when you're starting off. Anyways, I just want to give you a quick demonstration on what I want the concrete to look like, what it should look like and feel like when you attain your CSP of 2. Here we go. This is what we want our concrete to look like. Raw exposed aggregate. It's going to feel roughly like 100 grit sandpaper. That's what you want to achieve. You don't want to have skip spots, missed spots, completely ungrinded spots. You want to have a nice, even, whited out floor of a CSP of 2. Clean this off very thoroughly. Sometimes 2 and 3 vacuumings are necessary to get all the dust out, because concrete dust particles are very dense, very heavy, and they fall deep into the pores. So if you're going to use a dust collector, make sure that it has not only CFM, but at least a water lift rating of 80. Because water particles actually simulate concrete particles. They're very dense, they're very heavy. So the better the lift, the better you're going to clean your floor. So always try to make sure you have a very dust-free floor prior to beginning your application. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to our technical support. I hope this guys helped you today. Any other further questions, just reach out and give us a call. Thanks for joining.